Hey from the ranch, I hope you guys are having a great day. I am in the greenhouse working. This is my project of the day, and then I'll show you Dan's project of the day. So I have just been in here pruning in the greenhouse. The cucumbers and tomatoes are still taking off. This tomato plant is trying to reach the top of the roof, but we have a lot of tomatoes coming in. It's kind of a late harvest, I think, but it's really healthy. It's doing great. So we've decided we're gonna extend the trellis here and go to the edge here. So I was out looking for some scrap wood. We have lots of serranos. Dan's making pad thai tonight, so we'll use our cilantro and serranos in that. I made a frittata this morning. It was delicious. We used tomato and basil. Our basil plant is amazing, and fresh chicken eggs and some mozzarella cheese. So I've just been in the greenhouse tending to it. Danny's started some seedlings we're going to try to do a fall harvest out in the in-ground bed. But honestly, Dan's project is more amazing. So this whole area here used to be just littered with scrap wood and leftover building material. And he has spent a good amount of time organizing leftover lumber and building materials, putting some of our construction supplies and equipment in order. Eventually we'll want a barn or a shed, but for now we're just utilizing this space. It's our worm bed, and he created this space for the scrap wood, and then right next to it is compost. So he's just using our leftover roofing material, some of the chicken wire leftover, hardware cloth leftover from our chicken tractor, and then this is a good amount of the down juniper trees that is just all over the 45 acres. The ranchers downed a lot of juniper trees to let the cattle graze and let other plants grow. Yeah, so we're getting a lot done. We're still loving this adventure. We're learning so many new things, so different from our suburban roots, but we are just loving it out here. I hope you guys are having a great day, and thank you so much for checking in.